Hello, everyone. My name is Suzanne Simmons, and today I wanted to take a moment to talk to parents about teenagers and what to do if you suspect your teen might be struggling with suicidal thoughts. Here in Utah, teenage suicide is becoming an increasing concern. I don't know how many are familiar or aware, but the leading cause of death for teenagers in Utah is suicide. And unfortunately, it has been the leading cause of death for a few years now. So something is definitely needing to be addressed. I wanted to take a moment to share a little bit of my situation. I'm a mother of 4. I have a son who struggled with suicide and suicidal thoughts when he was about 15 years old. He was just a really lighthearted, easygoing guy, really easy to get along with. And then things started to happen and he started to change. He became easily irritated and angry. And even at the littlest things, he would just snap at us. His grades started to plummet. He was one who had mostly A's and some B's, and those turned into some D's and mostly F's. And he just didn't seem like he cared anymore. He didn't care about school. He didn't seem to care about anything. And then he started to isolate himself. He didn't want to leave the house. Sometimes he didn't even want to leave his room. He started talking about killing himself, not wanting to live, or not even knowing if he'd make it beyond the year. And that's when we knew that something was seriously wrong. And it was much more than just teenage hormones. It was much more than just a phase. As we checked into it, we realized that he was showing many of the warning signs of suicide. If you're experiencing a similar situation, or if you feel that something just isn't quite right, the most important thing you can do is to ask, talk, and listen to your child. Sit down with them and just ask them what's wrong. Let them know that you're concerned and that you want to help them. And don't be afraid to just ask straight out. Ask those hard questions. Are you thinking about killing yourself? Are you thinking about suicide? If they say yes, don't shrug it off. Get the professional help that they need from a counselor or a doctor. If you're feeling stuck or in a rut, my suggestion for you is to call the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. It's a really great resource to start with. They're available 24/7. It's free and it's confidential. They'll give you the support, the advice, and the resources in your area that you may need. Their number is 1-800-273-8255. That's 1-800-273-TALK. Thanks for listening.